Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to be making something very amazing. I'm sure you've already seen this in your in the title of the video. We are going to make Ukwaju porridge, tamarind porridge, and we are going to be using simple ingredients, things you have in your kitchen. If you don't have tamarind, please look for it in the market. It will look something like this. If you get it from a local market, it may be packed in a container. If you buy it from the supermarket, it may be a juice. If you buy it from the juice section in the supermarket, it could be in a pond if you're getting it from the farm. I'm sure you have come across tamarind somewhere, and today I just want to introduce you to one of the ways that you can use it in your kitchen to bring sourness in your dishes. One of the things that you will notice about the Ukwaju as you begin to use it, it is a souring agent. Souring agents, these would fall in the same category where we have lemon and the limes and so on. So this is part of what you can use to twist your flavors. And it is not just limited to the juice, it can be used in different ways, which I will be introducing to you soon. But today's video, we are making porridge. Let me show you how to make lambless. The kind of porridge we are making today is drinkable. Welcome to today's video. Enjoy. Please share, subscribe, and recommend it to a friend. I'll measure out 4 cups of water. This to begin heating up. And the next step which I'll take will be to bring out some of this tamarind out so that it can begin to soak. So this is how it looks like. It's already shelled out. It comes out in a pond. I'll insert a full photo to show you what it looks like when it is not shelled out, so that you don't pass them when you come across them in the shops. So this will be enough for me, more than enough. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what I normally do with them. So I am adding hot water so that the tamarind seeds can begin to soften, because my intention is to get out the pulp and throw away the seed and those stems you can see. So I went ahead to measure 5 tablespoons of the millet flour. So this is wimbi, what we call wimbi here. It is already milled out and all this. So 5 will be the exact amount you need for this recipe. I started out with 4 because I just needed to test the consistency of the water, but 5 will be good enough. So you're stirring, and we want to achieve a smooth paste that is not lumpy, and we want to make sure that all this flour dissolves inside and we are able to pour it out easily. this is how the seeds look like. This you keep away, and this is what you do. When the water is boiling, you pour in the flour mixture and you stir continuously. You stir continuously, and this is the way you avoid the lumps from forming. So what is happening is the boiling water is combining this flour together and making it a thick paste that will give us the porridge we are looking for. So I'll keep stirring until it bubbles up, or I can see that there is no more. So our porridge is boiling hot. It is at this point I'm going to measure out a quarter cup of the tamarind juice. That is enough for this. I didn't want it to be very sour, and that is enough. As you see, it was a concentrated pulp or paste out of it. So this makes the uji turn, or the porridge turn, into this beautiful color. I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar, and I'll top it up with a bit of milk. This is totally optional, but this is how I like mine. First of all, it gives it such a nice creamy look, and the taste also enhances. So once you do that, just stir in the milk. My milk was already boiled, so I didn't need to cook it for so long. And after that, give it 2 to 3 minutes. It comes to a complete boil. Then switch off the heat and let the porridge cool down a bit, because it will be very hot and can be very dangerous once taken at this state. So while that is cooling down, let me show you how I store up the tamarind that is already juiced out. I use my ice cube tray to just put them in, because I'm going to freeze this so that it can form the cubes. And then from here, there are some that I had stored earlier. This is how I store mine. I just put them in a Ziploc bag and I freeze them there, and I have a whole year's supply of tamarind juice. Our porridge is ready. Guys, look at this. Look at this. It is amazing. It is beautiful. It was so smooth. It is very tasty. I could do this every day. Just that you know why. Amazing videos that I've done in the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can always be notified once I post fresh content.